And with this we come to the last item on the agenda. It's not a talk, but it's also exciting. It's the closing of this workshop, and that includes the Best Abstract Award. And with that I hand it over to my colleague Martina.
Okay, thank you all for staying with us. And so now we are happy to announce the finalists of the award. So as we said at the beginning, we have this award sponsored by the Technical Committee on Computer and Robot Vision, and the award will be a prize of $500. 400. Yeah. And here we have the finalists, so congratulations. The first one is track DLO, tracking deformable linear objects under occlusion with motion coherence, from Jing Xiang. Then we have adaptive graph, material adaptive graph based neural dynamics for robotic manipulation from Zhang and Li. And then we have generalizable clothes manipulation with large language models from Deng. So congratulations. And now, unfortunately, we have only one winner, only one prize. So the winner is adaptive graph, material adaptive graph based neural dynamics for robotic manipulation. Yeah, you can come here. So you also had the great talk.
I feel very embarrassed for that to be called a great talk, because I didn't realize I was giving it until literally when it was on screen. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. The students really appreciate it as well.
Thanks to you. It was a really good job. And with that, I want to thank you once again. Thanks to all the speakers. Thanks to you. I don't know why. Thanks to all the authors of the abstracts, and thanks to all the people who attended the workshop. You can find all the videos and the PDF files on the website, and we'll also upload the entire workshop on our YouTube channel, so if you want to keep a look at it later, you can do that. So, thanks again.